Hi, boys and girls. So for your ELA session today, we are going to journey with a long topic, but you'll get there. So to begin our topic, we're going to discuss my morning routine. So first I get up. Yeah. Then I go to the toilet. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. Now, I'm pretty sure that my morning routine is similar to most of you or all of you here. So I'll repeat. First, get up. Next, go to the toilet. Then brush my teeth. Last, take a shower. And this picture here is a picture that's showing a sequence. Now, that is a big word. What does sequence mean? Fear not. Sequence is just a big word that tells you the order in which things happen. So the sequence of a story refers to the order of a story. And when we are talking about sequence or order of a story, we have to use transition words. And the transition words we're going to be journeying with first are first, next, then, and last. So I have a short video to play for you that will further explain sequence.
Sequencing of events. A sequence is the order of events in a story. Sequencing is putting the events in a story in the order in which they took place. There are clue words in every story that can help you figure out the sequence or the order. First, next, then, and last. We call these words transition words. Let's see if I can use these words to tell you how I bake a cake. First, I put the flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. Next, I whisk all the ingredients together and put the batter in a pan. Then, I put it in the oven to bake for 30 minutes. Last, I decorate the cake with the frosting. So that is one way of showing sequence in a story. There are many more transition.
So the teacher on the video just explained what sequence is. Sequence is the order in which events in a story occur. And she used transition words to tell the sequence of baking a cake. The transition words she looked at were first, next, then, last. So she said first, she put all the ingredients together. Next, she whisked them. Then she put it in the oven. And lastly, she decorates it with frosting. So I'm going to play a story, and you have to pay close attention to the story because this story is what you are going to use for your written activity today.
A broken vase. A boy is sitting at a table, admiring a pretty flower in a vase. The vase falls over and surprises the boy. The vase is broken. The boy cleans up the pieces and the flower.
So you are looking at the sequence of the story that was just told using the transition words and drawing. So first, the boy sits and admires the flower in a vase. Next, the vase suddenly falls. Then the vase is broken. Lastly, the boy cleans up the pieces and the flower. That is called the order of the story or sequence as we are learning today. Sequence. Sequence is very important in creative writing and comprehension. So you need to learn what is a sequence at this level so that you can sequence activities according to how they happen. Boys and girls, we are now going to look at the sequence of that same story we just heard and we saw in the video. So this is your PowerPoint here now for sequencing stories. So what's the first thing that happened in the story? Yes, the first thing is the boy sat and admired the flower in a vase. And look at the word first. Is the word at the bottom. Next is the word in the arrow. The vase suddenly falls. Yeah. Then the vase is broken. Lastly, the boy cleans up the broken pieces and the flower. So boys and girls, here's what you are going to do for me. You are going to draw the sequence of the story for me, and you're using your transition words. So your transition words are first, next, then, and last. So write your transition words as it is there on the screen. You're doing this in your drawing box, and then you're going to draw a picture for each scene, each section. So for each transition word, you're going to draw a picture. First, you're going to draw a picture of the boy sitting watching the flower. Next, you're going to draw the vase falling. Then you're going to draw the broken vase. And lastly, you're going to draw the boy cleaning up the vase. And you're going to practice your sequence or order of story. Have fun, take your time, and try to remember using your transition words.